Welcome to Seton Hill University's Getting Started with Your MacBook. Once you get your MacBook unboxed, go ahead and plug it in, and then go ahead and open it up. If it doesn't automatically turn on, in the top right-hand corner is your power button and also your Touch ID button. Let's go ahead and slide it a little bit closer so you can see the screens. Okay, from there, you got your welcome screen. You're going to select your language. We're in the United States, so we're going to go ahead and select the United States and hit continue. From here, you can select your Wi-Fi network. We usually do this at the end just to make it a little bit easier. So you can just hit continue, and then hit continue again. Next is your data and privacy message. If you want to read that, go ahead and click learn more. Otherwise, hit continue. We're setting this Mac up as new, so you want to make sure do not transfer any information is selected and hit continue. Sign in with your Apple ID. Again, we recommend doing this later. If we ran into some minor issues with setting it up now. So just click set up later and then skip. Terms and conditions, this is your standard Mac operating system license agreement. Just agree, and then agree, acknowledging that you read it. And this is where you set up your account. So you can go ahead and put whatever you like in here. And the account name, some people change this to their Seton Hill username, which is fine. You can have it whatever you want. And then create a password. This password is for your computer only. You'll need this password to install any updates, software, and so on. And it does not reflect your Seton Hill account whatsoever. Then go ahead and hit continue. And then find your MacBook. You may or may not display this come up because of previous login attempts. My old account is already in there. If you do not see this, don't be alarmed, just hit continue. Express setup. We don't need to do anything special with this, just to continue as well. Analytics, if you want to share any of your information with the developers for apps and so on, you can do that. If something should happen to your system or crashed or in a particular application, it will automatically send information over to the developers. So we'll go ahead and check this. Again, you don't have to, it's just a matter of preference. Hit continue. Screen time, you can set up all kinds of different screen times. You can go into different reports if you want to. We're going to set up later because currently I do not use that. Siri, this is your voice command system. We want to enable Siri. Then go ahead and hit continue. If you do not want to use voice commands, just uncheck that box. And then set up Siri. We'll go ahead and go through that now. If you're limited on time, you can set up Siri later. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? And now you're ready with Siri. So go ahead and hit continue. And then you can have an improved Siri and dictation. You should also share auto recordings. That's kind of new. We do not share those, so we're going to hit not now. If you do want to share those, you can go ahead and click the button right above it that says share audio recordings. And then select continue. Touch ID, this allows you to log in with your fingerprint. So go ahead and set that up. We'll hit continue. Place your finger in the top right-hand corner very easily. Just press it and then just keep on pressing it up and down until it gets fully filled in. and then hit continue. Okay, choose your look. You can either have light mode, dark mode, or auto. We're going to select auto. So that way, depending on the light situation, it will automatically adjust. Then hit continue. True tone display, we don't fool with this, just hit continue. If you set your true tone display, sometimes that affects your colors in your pictures and so on, so just hit continue. And now it's finalizing all your settings on your Mac. Give it a second or two here. Okay, there's your Mac setup now. Now we're going to go ahead and connect to the Wi-Fi. Basically, up in the top right-hand corner, you'll see your time, and then little radio waves, click on that. And then go ahead and select your wireless network. I was already attached, so I'm going to connect to a different one just to show you. So click the wireless network, and then enter that wireless network password in. And now you're ready to use your MacBook. Our MacBooks from Seton Hill come with 2 years Apple Care, or 4 years Apple Care, I'm sorry, which means anytime anything should happen, just bring it to that solution center and we can send it out and get it repaired for you and give you a loaner if needed. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helped you get your MacBook steady up and ready to go. Thanks.